Welcome back to Motor Mania. Today, we're diving into the world of British luxury and performance with the 2024 Jaguar XF, a car that blends elegance, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating driving dynamics. So, buckle up and let's take a ride. First impressions matter, and the Jaguar XF certainly knows how to make one. With its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, bold grille, and sharp LED headlights, the XF is unmistakably Jaguar. It's classy yet aggressive, a perfect balance for those who want sophistication with an edge. The aerodynamic package takes it a step further with sportier accents and larger wheels, up to 20 inches. Whether you're cruising through the city or parked at the valet, this car demands attention. Stepping inside, the Jaguar XF greets you with a blend of luxury and innovation. The materials are top-notch, with soft leather, real wood veneers, and brushed metal accents. Everything feels premium. The centerpiece here is the 11.4-inch curved touchscreen running Jaguar's Pivi Pro infotainment system. It's responsive, intuitive, and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Plus, you get a wireless charging pad and an optional 16-speaker Meridian sound system for those who want concert-quality audio. There's plenty of space for passengers, and the seats are both supportive and comfortable, even on long drives. And, for those chilly mornings, you'll love the heated seats and steering wheel. Now, let's talk performance, because the Jaguar XF isn't just about looking good. Under the hood, you have two engine options. The P250, with 246 horsepower and rear-wheel drive, and the P300, which ups the ante with 296 horsepower and all-wheel drive. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that's smooth and responsive. The XF handles beautifully, offering precise steering and a composed ride. It's perfect for winding roads or a relaxed highway cruise. And if you're the kind of driver who loves customization, the XF's configurable dynamics lets you tweak the steering, throttle, and suspension settings to suit your mood. Jaguar hasn't skimped on technology either. The XF comes loaded with features like a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. You also get automatic emergency braking, which gives you extra peace of mind. The optional head-up display projects key information like speed and navigation onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. And let's not forget the Pivi Pro system. It's one of the best in its class, with sharp graphics, fast responses, and over-the-air updates to keep things fresh. So, what does all of this cost? The Jaguar XF 2024 starts at around $49,800 for the base P250 model, and it goes up depending on trims and options. For those who want the full experience, the P300 with AWD and a few upgrades will set you back around $60,000. The 2024 Jaguar XF is a car for those who want more than just transportation. It's a statement, a blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech wrapped in a stunning package. Whether you're on the daily commute or a weekend getaway, the XF delivers. What do you think of the 2024 Jaguar XF? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews here on Motor Mania.